Just like that, you guys. Okay, and then back row, you guys have the hardest job of all. You don't do anything. And the reason it's hard is because Miss Melody's going to go like this with her hands, and you're going to want to sit down like the front two rows, but you're not going to do it. Touch your thinking buttons. I'm going to stay standing. I'm going to stay standing. All right, everybody show me standing up. You can do it fast. Who's going to be the fastest?
Oh,
yes.
Good.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wait for the signal.
My brother had his baby.
I was faster than you.
And say crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce. And everybody show me head in your hands. You find yourself in trouble. It makes you feel so sad. The trolls have found a lot of sound. Makes things not so bad. Then you're going to stand back up. Everybody up. So if you start to worry, if something makes you frown, now I'm going to have
This is completely different.
right when everybody stand up. Remember following directions? Stay right there, okay? Right when everybody stands up, Emily, can you be really smart?
Yeah.
Okay, Emily, you're going to run right there to the back half of that mat. Okay, very good, very good. And Sydney, are you good at your somersaults?
I'm good at
Sydney, you're going to run right here when everybody else stands up. Okay, so right here at the back of the mat. And then who else is really good at their somersaults? Let me see it, right here. Oh, that is good, that is good. Okay, who else is really good at their somersaults? Let me see it. Stand right here. Can you do the somersault Miss Shauna taught you? Yes, she puts her hands down.
I know how to do somersault
Yes.
like that.
Okay.
I know how to do it.
Okay, so you're going to come right here. Okay, you're going to stay there. Okay. Okay. All right. So, Sydney and Emily and Addison, all right? Addison, you come here when everybody else stands up. Okay? So, Sydney and Addison and Emily, show me going back to your dance places. Ready, go? And then everybody show me sitting on your dance lines.
Oh, good, Ava.
Put your spot, buddy. Okay, show me sitting on your dance lines. Okay. And here comes everybody standing up. What are my three friends going to do? Think about it. Everybody up. Yes, yes. So, if you start to worry, if something makes you frown, everybody show me dancing. Just start a groove and start to move. Then you're going to bring your hands way up here. You're going to roll them all the way down. Except, Emily, where's your spot? Except Emily and Addison and Sydney, you're not going to do this. You're going to do a somersault. And Landon, you better stand up or else they're going to somersault on top of you. I'm pretty sure we don't want that. So let me see it. My somersaulters, turn that frown around. That's what your somersault is. Okay? And everybody else, show me rolling your hands so they know what to do. Oh, we're going to do it again, Addison. Give them the signal, everybody. Turn that frown around. Good job. Good job. Can we do it from the beginning?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Don't worry. We'll give some more people a chance. We'll give some more people a chance. Show me kneeling and sitting. Except not my back row.
Oh.
You find yourself landing down. And Nicholas down.
Crisscross applesauce.
Nope, that's your spot right there. Okay, now Landon can sit down. Sing for me. You find yourself in trouble. Katie. It makes you feel so sad. The trolls have found a lot of sound. Makes things not so bad. Back up. So if you start to worry, my friends, if something makes you frown, start a groove and start to move. Now give them the signal. And turn that frown around. Very good, very good. And now, you're going to clap your hands over here. When you can't find the fix for your woes, stop your feet. Make some noise, clap your hands. The beat that you is your voice. Make some noise. Feeling crazy, what do you do? Make some noise. Feeling good, too good to be true. Make some noise. And I want everybody to bring their hands down here. And I want you to yell and jump. Make some noise! Oh, please say you jump the highest. Let me hear it. Make some so afraid. She starts to speak, her knees go weak, cause the fear gets in the way. Back up. So life's full of happy moments, like being here with you. My 3 friends, go to your places. So as you grow, you have to know. Give them a signal. Go! Your love will shine right through. Good, very good. Now here comes one last signal. This is your signal for Ring Around the Rosie. So this group, just turn to your back and hold hands. You guys come get in the circle. Okay. Now drop hands. Drop hands and sit down. Okay, let me see this group making their circle. Good, good. Now drop hands and sit down. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Miss Nancy has a really fun acting game to play. And I want to see if you guys can earn it. Everybody hold up one finger. Good job. One thing that you have to do to earn your acting game is you got to keep your eyes on Miss Melody. Can you do that? Say check.
Check.
The second thing you have to do to earn your acting game is you have to show me that you can ring around the Rosie without tugging on your neighbor's arm. Is that hard? You don't think that's hard? I think that's really, really hard. I don't know if I could do that. Which circle do we think is going to do it the best? You guys think you guys are? You guys think you guys are? Okay, let's have our ring around the Rosie face off. Okay, I want to see this circle first. Do you think they're going to tug on their neighbor? Do you think they're going to? Katie thinks they're going to. Sit down and watch and see what they do. Are you going to let them win? No! You're going to do it the right way, right? Okay, show me. Show me. Here they go. They're going to hold hands. And they're going to ring around the Rosie. Ready, go. Skip, bop, boop, bop, do-ba-da-do. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
There we go. Boop, bop, boop, bop, do-ba-da-do. Make some noise. Echo.
Make some noise.
Oh my gosh. They did a pretty good job. Let's clap for them. Okay. Good job. Okay. They did pretty good. Do you guys think you can do even better? You think so? All right. You don't think they can do better? Oh, let's see. Okay, ready? We're going to go around this way. Ready, go. Skip, bop, boop, bop, do-ba-da-do. Make some noise. Let me hear echo.
Make some noise.
Boop, bop, boop, bop, do-ba-da-do. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
I think we better clap for these guys. They did it right, too. I don't think I can decide yet. I think I need to see the whole dance with music before I can decide who wins the face-off. Okay, so everybody stand up. Show me, get it on your face.